whispering. Welcome to channel. Prep for instant calm in a tiny moment of quiet.
Soft wood tap. A soft wood tap unfolds like a distant snowfall. Gentle taps, tracing a calm rhythm while the screen overlays one wood tap. Brushing slow circular brush. A slow brushing glide sweeps in with circular strokes and a warm hushed tone. The overlay reads, "2 brushing." Crinkling paper flip. A tiny crinkle of paper flicks and settles, each fold releasing a measured sigh as the scene focuses on the textured pages. 3 crinkling paper.
Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more tiny tingles. Subscribe.